Okay, we're on the Carnival Dream. This is an ocean view room, 1244. Walk in here, we got our counter. Got the mini fridge. Got ample storage, got the safe. Come over here. We got a window big enough to sit in. We got this one set up with the two twin beds. We got a couch with a sitting area. And again, a itty bitty baby TV. But this is interesting. We got double bathrooms. So we got a tub, I guess you could say, with a sink. And it's got a shower. A little tub. And then this one, you've got the standard, this is more or less the standard bathroom with the shower, the toilet, and the sink. And we got 4 closets. So, this is what a ocean view room on the Carnival Dream looks like.